no experience, ma'am. Okay, ganito po ang gawin mo kung ikaw ay nagbabalak na mag-apply papuntang Japan and then you don't have any experience. Go get a training. So you can have a training certificate and then from training certificate, convert it into certificate of employment. Paano mo gawin yan? You approach the owner, you approach the manager. Kung sakaling pagbibigyan ka po, just explain to him or to her na you need to apply to Japan. This is for applying abroad. If you could help me, ma'am and sir, please. Bigyan niyo po ako ng certificate of employment from my training certificate. Ngayon, kung mag-okay naman, that's good. And then you ask them, you ask him or her, the manager or the owner na kung pwede ilagay 1 year or 2 years. Maging resourceful po kayo. Kasi kung hindi kayo mag-iisip ng mga pamamaraan or ideas na hindi po kayo makakapag-abroad, just be sure, just make sure pag andun na kayo sa Japan, magtatrabaho talaga kayo kasi nakakahiya naman sa mga employer ninyo. Or, pwede po kayong maging honest sa mga interviewer doon sa agency kapag andun na kayo. Sabihin niyo na, ma'am, ganito lang po yung experience ko. Nag-training lang po ako. Mas maa-appreciate nila yan kasi makikita nila kung gaano ka po ka-sincere na makapagtrabaho, gaano ka ka-sincere na makaahon from kahirapan into maging successful ka as an OFW sa Japan. Mas maa-appreciate nila yan. Believe me. Maging honest lang po kayo. Ganito lang po yung experience ko, ma'am, sir. Tulungan niyo po ako. Gusto ko po talagang makapag-Japan. Kaya ko po ang trabaho na yan. Believe me, mas maa-appreciate nila yon. Thank me later.